How to fix Brave keeps slugging you out. Now, this is just a very quick and very straightforward tutorial for you to be able to have this rectified on your end. So, of course, first things first is to access your Brave browser. And from there, at the top right portion of your Brave browser, you should be able to see three dots. Now, simply click on that and then head over directly to Passwords. Now, once you're on Passwords, go back to Settings and then it's just access More Options. Now, under More Options, you should be able to see enabled or disabled options. So just head over directly to the Sign in automatically option. Now, you just have to ensure that sign in automatically is turned on. If it is disabled, just simply have it enabled back then, close the browser, and try to rerun your Brave browser once again. So that's the very straightforward troubleshooting for you to be able to fix on your Brave browser keeps slugging you out.